Alright guys, come closer.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how
Mathematically, compound interest reveals that
$1,000 becomes $10,000 without
putting in any extra.
working.
This math is called compound interest. Guys, just pay close and concentrated attention as I'm going to explain deeply how this all play out from your mathematics to the real life application. Imagine investing your spare $1,000 like this.
And you don't touch it. No business, no extra work. But after some years, it becomes $10,000 or more. How is that possible? Today I'll show you the mathematics behind money growth. Money growth. And once you understand this, you never look at money the same way again. Compound interest simply means you earn interest, not just on your money, but also on the interest that has already been added to your money. In simple terms, money starts working for itself. Money starts working for itself. In compound interest, you work with this formula. A equal to P bracket 1 plus R over N exponent NT. Always know that A here is your final amount. P here in this formula is always your initial money. And also call it principal investment. Whereas your arrow is the interest rate in decimal. Here is a number of times interest is applied per year, whereas your T finally here is the number of years involved. So in compound interest, you have a graph. You have a graph that goes this way up. Take this to be your x-axis, this is your y-axis. You have a curve that goes in this manner. It does not fall flat straight with time. T. Your interest, because it is interest added to your initial money or principal investment plus your initial investment growing per time. So quickly, let's take a look at an example applying this interest. Guys, come with me now. Let's use a real example. Let's say you invest $1,000 at a percentage of 10. So at 10% interest per year for 5 years. Compounded once per year. So your P in our formula, you can always pause and rewind to see the formula. Your P in our formula for compounding interest is now equal to 1,000. Your arrow from this is equal to 0.10, which is 10%. Your N is equal to 1, compounding once per year. Then, whereas your T is equal to 5 years, this 5 years here. So now we substitute into the formula A equal to P bracket 1 plus arrow all over N with an exponent of N times T. So come with me, let's do it now. Let's now input these values into this formula step by step and see the interest. Take step 1. A equal to 1,000 bracket 1 plus 1.01 brackets 5. Step 2. A equal to 1000 brackets 1.10, 1 plus 1.10 is equal to 1.10 raised to the power of 5. Step 3. 1.10 raised to the power of 5 equal to 1.610551. Step 4. A now become equal to 1000 times 1.61051, which is equal to 1.610.51. So your $1,000 now becomes $1,610.51, which implies that you made $610.51 in profit without doing extra work. This is the secret. In year 1, you earn interest on $1,000. In year 2, your interest is earned on more than $1,000. And then in year 3, your interest continues on much more than $1,000. So your money is not growing on a straight line. Rather, it's growing faster and faster over time. If you save in American currency, which is the USD investment, your money is not just safe, but it is growing mathematically. Unlike when you save in underdeveloped countries' currency, where inflation might reduce your investment value. Common mistake. 10% for 5 years is not equal to 50%, as many people think. That is simple interest and not compound interest. Try this on your own now. Say, if you invest $2,000 at 8% for 10 years, what will it become? Drop your answers in the comment section. Compound interest is not just mathematics. Compound interest is a money principle. It is a money principle. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Even small amounts in dollars can grow into something very big if you understand this formula and follow it.